Half of Gaza's population is starving as aid agencies struggle to get food and medical supplies into the war-torn enclave, a senior United Nations official has warned. The World Food Programme says that its ability to supply basic necessities to the people in Gaza is on the verge of collapse amid escalating Israeli attacks. There's not enough food, people are starving. World Food Programme Deputy Director Karl Skau wrote on X, following a visit to the besieged coastal strip on Friday. Only a fraction of the necessary food is reaching the Gaza Strip. There is a lack of fuel and no one is safe. Skau continued in a WFP statement, adding, "We cannot do our job." Camps and emergency shelters were overcrowded, he wrote, as the muffled thunder of Israel's bombing raids could be heard in the background every day. Israelis who had been taken hostage also saw the food situation deteriorate rapidly during the course of their kidnapping ordeals. The recently freed Adina Moshe told a rally of thousands of people in Tel Aviv seeking the rapid return of all remaining hostages. On Saturday, 100 trucks carrying unspecified aid entered Gaza through the Rafah crossing with Egypt, said Wael Abu Omar, a spokesperson for the Palestinian Crossings Authority. Despite growing international pressure, President Joe Biden's administration remains opposed to an open-ended ceasefire, arguing it would enable Hamas to continue posing a threat to Israel. A US veto derailed UN Security Council efforts to demand an immediate ceasefire on Friday. Israel continues its bombardment of Gaza after the UN vetoed a UN Security Council resolution calling for a ceasefire on Friday, a move strongly condemned by humanitarian groups. In a rare move, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres had triggered the vote by invoking Article 99 of the UN Charter, a measure unused in decades, saying the people of Gaza are looking into the abyss. At least 17,700 Palestinians, mostly women and children, have been killed in 2 months and nearly 49,000 wounded, while many people are still trapped under the rubble.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.